going to be putting his hands in my bicep. A lot of times people are going to do this. And the harder he pushes, the more it's going to hurt. So look what I'm going to do. Tap his wrist and go for it. So I'm making it where I'm rotating the hand this direction, and then we're catching it here. Okay, one more time. I rotate it, and now I go forward. For no-gi, I can grab his hand so he doesn't pull it out. Catch. Okay, another grip that he may want to do is hold my wrist. I go in, I go out, and I twist. It should be hard for him to pull his hand out. Pull your hand out, it's tough. He'll probably have to use his other hand to push. Go ahead. So I'm here, he says push me, and now I catch this one. If he starts pushing my wrist, and I catch it to this one. Okay, so one more time. He's holding my biceps. When I feel a lot of pressure on there, it's going to be my time to cross my hands and catch it. If I want, I can spin through, finish the armbar and the wrist lock. Okay, and the other one, he grabs my wrist and catch it. These are great moves from the closed guard. And they'll even work from the open guard. Example, if he's pinning my wrist down, especially for no-gi, I can catch it and follow him all the way up. Okay, you want to make it pretty much impossible for the guy to posture on you. And that's why these wrist locks are used. If he's just pushing right over here, I can open his elbow and catch him in a wrist lock right there. Okay, if it's no-gi, I can contain his hand, open the elbow, and wrist lock right there. These are some of my favorite wrist locks to do from the closed guard. Hopefully you can surprise your opponents and wrist lock the world. Okay, thank you.